all are safe at your homes. Today I am going to brief you about nutrition in plants. Students, as you all know, all living organisms need food for their existence. Food provides us with energy to carry out various life-sustaining activities. Energy is locked in the form of chemical energy in food. To release this energy, the complex food that we eat must be converted to simple substances. This happens during the process of nutrition. Now the question arises, what do you mean by nutrition? So nutrition word has been derived from the word nutrient. Again, nutrient is a substance which the organisms obtain from the surroundings to derive energy for their maintenance and growth. Plants, being living organisms, also perform the process of nutrition. They also need energy to perform various life-sustaining activities in their body. Now, as you all know, as plants do not have mouth or digestive system like we have, so how plants are going to take their nutrition? So, with regard that, I am going to explain you now in the form of a flow chart nutrition in plants. So nutrition in plants basically it is of two types: autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Here the word autotrophic is divided into two parts: auto and trophic. Auto means self and trophic means food. That means the organisms which synthesize their own food are called autotrophs, and this process of synthesizing food is called autotrophic nutrition. So you see, autotrophic nutrition mainly plants, green plants, all the green plants, they are autotrophs as they have autotrophic nutrition. All green plants and cyanobacteria are called autotrophs. They make their own food with the help of light energy of the sun, carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. This process is called photosynthesis. Children, as you all know, photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Putting together what? The ingredients such as carbon dioxide and water to make food in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So, you all know water and essential minerals is absorbed from the soil by small root hairs in the ground. There are special conducting tubes called xylem which carry water to the food making cells in the leaves. Sunlight is the major source of energy for photosynthesis. Green leaves are the site where photosynthesis takes place. Why? Because leaves have some special organelles called chloroplasts which contain green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and converted into chemical energy, which is then used to prepare food. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf through tiny pores called stomata. As you can see the structure of stomata over there, this is the closed stomata right now. You see the outer wall is made up of cell wall. It is the outer covering of stomata. This is the chloroplast by which the plants are green in color. Chloroplast is a kind of a pigment. Vacuole. This vacuole is filled with the liquids like sugar, salt and organic acids, and this nucleus perform all the necessary activities in the cell. So this is the structure of closed stomata. Next, I am going to discuss that the food produced by photosynthesis, is a starch, which is a carbohydrate that is transported through special conducting tubes called phloem to different parts of the plant. Some of the glucose is used immediately by the plant for energy. Some is stored as starch and some changes to more complex substances like cellulose. The oxygen released during photosynthesis is required for living beings on the earth. During breathing, we take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Therefore, photosynthesis is a necessary phenomenon on the earth. it maintains the carbon dioxide oxygen balance. As you can see the balanced equation over there, that carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, converted into glucose and gives out oxygen also. So you see this equation, we have to balance this equation. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll converted to glucose. Formula of glucose is C6H12O6 plus 6 CO2. So this is the equation for photosynthesis. Students, what I had explained you, please go through it and do thorough chapter reading, and whatever activities is given in the book, just go through them, and if possible try to perform some of the activities at your home, and if not, then after lockdown we will perform in the school. Next, heterotrophic nutrition, tomorrow I will explain you. So please do a thorough reading at your home, and if any queries you have, just note it down somewhere and tomorrow you can ask me. Thank you. Have a good day.